Welcome to my channel Happy Crochet Club. Today we will make bag, shoulder bag. I used double knit yarn or light worsted weight yarn number 3 and 3mm crochet hook and 3.5mm crochet hook. Bag is 8 inches or 20.5 centimeters if full, like this. Empty 9 inches, a little bit more, and 24 centimeters. Ten inches, this means 20 inches all around. 10 and 25.5 centimeters. And strap 1 inch or 1.2 or 3 centimeters. And the strap you can make how long you like. And we can start. Also you can make from another yarn, from cotton yarn or string yarn. Chain 39, skip 3 chains, in the 4th chain 2 double crochet, in the same chain, double crochet in each chain until last chain we will do together. Done. Last chain, yes, 34 double crochet, 5 double crochet, then start top of this double crochet, double crochet in each stitch, 34, last we will do together this last stitch where we two already have. Continue. Done. Last 2 stitches in this last chain, 2 we already have, and then will be slip stitch in this 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3. This is first worked stitch and 3rd chain, 2 double crochet, in the same chain and slip stitch into third chain. Chain 3 in the same place where this chain 3, make 2 double crochet. Next stitch, this one, double crochet in each stitch. Until here where we made 5, this middle stitch we will make 5 double crochet. And continue. 38 double crochet in this middle stitch, make 5 double crochet. Next, double crochet in each stitch, 38 stitches. And continue. 38 stitches done. Next, this previous round slip stitch, in this stitch make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Join round with slip stitch in this third chain, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch. Chain 3, double crochet in each stitch. Start in this chain, in this space, double crochet. And continue. Done. Join round with slip stitch, 86 stitches I made. Third chain. Next, chain 3, this you first row for button, start in this first stitch, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2 stitches, next stitch 3 double crochet. Skip next 2 stitches, third stitch, 3 double crochet. Repeat. Skip 2, third stitch, 3 double crochet. Done. Last, skip 1, skip previous round slip stitch, and join with third chain. Next round you have to repeat chain 3, front post, double crochet, then double crochet in this space. We working in these 3 stitches, double crochet in space, front post, and double crochet in this space. Front post, double crochet, and double crochet in space. And repeat double crochet, front post, double crochet, next double crochet. And continue. Last double crochet, front post, double crochet, double crochet, join with slip stitch in third chain, then repeat exactly the same chain 3 and start again front post, double crochet in this space, double crochet in space, front post, double crochet in space. Continue crochet until you have 7 inches, a little bit more, or 18 centimeters. Every round repeat the same double crochet in space, front post, double crochet in space, and join third chain. Chain 3, front post, double crochet in space. When this done, this length what you like, or 7 inches for this pattern, then chain 1, single crochet in this front post stitch, first stitch, and single crochet in each stitch. And continue. Done. Last, you see previous round slip stitch, and this chain 1 and first worked stitch, and join with slip stitch with chain 1. Is this. And chain 1 and continue 4 more rows. Start there in this stitch first, and exactly the same, single crochet in each stitch. Then this is previous round slip stitch, this you don't use. Chain 1, this will be your last stitch, single crochet, and then join with this chain 1. For beginners, to otherwise confused. This is first worked stitch. This chain 1 and previous round slip stitch. There will be last single crochet and join with slip stitch in with this chain 1 and make 4 more rounds. 5 rounds done. Cut off yarn. For strap you can make how wide you like. You can join yarn, make single crochet, or make separately. I made separately because one side I have to join with slip stitch, then I like to both sides this looks the same. And make how long you like, how wide you like, and when you measure then stretch out. So with 3.5mm crochet hook, for example chain 6, I have for this strap, second chain, single crochet in each chain. Then just turn, turn a chain, start in very first, single crochet 5. There are both loops. Then again in the same stitch, single crochet 5. Just leave longer yarn to join together later. When ready, then find the middle and save together. Or inside, how you like, even better. Bag is ready. Thank you for watching my channel and see you soon. Who like my work, please subscribe, click like and leave comment.